Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Partybox Club 120, plug the AC cord into a grounded outlet and flip the rear switch. Next, choose your input, Bluetooth for wireless or 3.5 mm/RCA for wired connections because wired avoids latency. Once done, set both the master and device volumes to 0 so you can raise levels safely. Make sure the battery mode is off if you're plugged in. This prevents odd behavior. Finally, press play on the source and watch the front LED indicate connection. Now you dial in sound. Slowly raise the master to about 30–40% to start, then bring up mic or guitar levels only as needed because too much gain causes clipping. Use the bass and treble controls to match room acoustics, more bass for big rooms, less for reflective spaces. If available, select an EQ preset to save time and test with real content. Sing, speak, or play a track so you can hear interaction between channels. Make small adjustments, trust your ears. Finish by running a complete sound check. Play a representative song and speak into the mic while walking the venue because this reveals drops or feedback. Once balanced, save settings mentally and engage Party Boost or link multiple club units for wider coverage. If you hit problems, hiss, dropouts, or feedback, reduce the offending channel's gain first, swap or receipt cables, and repair Bluetooth devices. These steps solve most issues. If feedback persists, move the mic away from speakers and lower monitor levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.